UOKA stock Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video. Now, MDJM Limited stock, or just UOKA, and it's 75% now, which is a good gains. And I think a lot of you, like, just because it just got listed in the NASDAQ pretty much 3rd of December, so it's been 2 months old plus. That's how much data we have on the chart. And I saw a beautiful expansion. I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors. And the MDJM Limited stock, I have to say that once the price starts shifting up, all I'm looking to is simply just doubling down on the long side. Like in this case, it's 43-cent highs. But what I'm not going to do is just randomly start buying. That's like, I'm very against that. But what I'm not against is if I see my rules met, then I'm have the green light to go full margin. I'm kidding. But if I see the green light, then I'm taking things up with a proper risk management. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.